This lettuce here, it is going to seed. You can see where it's gonna flower and go to seed. We were getting quite a bit off of it. We had one called crisp mint lettuce, and it did excellent. But then when it got really hot, it gave up on us.
But remember, just take the leaves off and the plant will keep growing. You don't have to take the whole head up like you find in the stores.
Yeah. You pull the head and you've lost your plant. And there is another one that was growing here, but as you can see, something stripped those leaves. Okay, this lettuce here, you just go along and cut it and take it in, put it in water, wash it off, and you want to be sure you wash it off because it has little bitty worms. The worms don't hurt anything. They seem to not damage the plant, but
they're like little green inchworms.
Yeah, that's what they are, is an inchworm. But like you can see right here, there is one.
Yep.
And so we won't use this piece.
And kill the bug.
And we smushed the bug, yeah.
Now this was a different type of lettuce.
Yeah, and once you cut it, it don't grow back.
Yeah, it's not like the other lettuce. And I think this plant is just about done for the year.
Yeah, I think it's finished.
I think next year we will try the crisp mint again. And I don't know if we'll do this one again. This one did a little, it does different than the other.
Yeah, it does.
I didn't care for the way it did as much.
No.
And it really almost didn't seem like it was quite as healthy of a plant.
No, it didn't seem that way, but one thing I think interfered with it growing was because at first, as I said, the zucchini, I did not trim the lower leaves, and they were hanging way over the top of this.
Once we get this out, we're gonna try and relocate some carrots over here.
Yes.
And are you gonna take some of that home with you? Because I've still got lettuce.
I'll take some home.
So that's the end of that lettuce. Pull out all the little pieces. Like we said, they will not continue to grow lettuce. They're gonna... That's it. That's it for that one.
Yeah.